back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now so that you are updated every time that I drop a new video. Today, I have a special treat for you guys. I am going to be reviewing, playing with, swatching, and doing a tutorial on the new Deck of Scarlet edition number 9 palette. This palette is in collaboration with Belle Jorden. And if you are unfamiliar with Belle Jorden, she is a YouTuber here on YouTube. And she's gorgeous. She has all these cool tattoos. She's like a bad, you know what? And I'm definitely a fan of hers. So when I found out that this was in collaboration with her, I was extremely excited to review the palette. So this is their July and August palette. If you're unfamiliar with Deck of Scarlet is a subscription service, and it's where you do get a palette every other month. And the subscription is $29.95. Taken out of your bank account every 2 months. So every other month you receive a compact, sleek palette that you can create all types of looks with. So this is the box that the subscription comes in. When you open it up, you have the palette in there as well as the extra piece, and in this case it is a mascara. When you open up the palette, this palette is dope. It swatches really well. It's just a very beautiful palette. It comes with 3 eyeshadows. It also comes with 2 cheek colors. So one is a highlight and one is kind of a blush / bronzer. And then it also comes with 2 lippies and the mascara as well. This palette does really reflect Belle Jorden really well, and not only does it reflect her, but it reflects me. Y'all know these are my colors, so when they sent me this, I was like, hey, that's what I'm talking about. So a few other things about this subscription is that it is free shipping throughout the United States, and they also do ship to Canada and to the UK. You also can cancel anytime, or you can skip a palette as well. And I think that's super dope when we're doing subscription services. Sometimes, you know, that $29.95 ain't gonna clear. So you can go on and you can skip, either if you can't afford it or if you're not liking the palette for that particular time period. You can skip it. Also, every palette is 100% cruelty free and paraben free. Alright, y'all. I did go ahead and create this look with this palette. Lips, cheeks, eyes, all of it is this palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, the main thing that I really love about these Deck of Scarlet palettes is the fact that, you know, if you're trying to build your makeup collection, this is like the perfect subscription to have, just because it gives you so much in one palette. You got eyes, you got cheeks, you got highlight, and you also have 2 lip colors as well. And I don't think that's bad for $30 every 2 months, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the eye. In my crease, I'm gonna see what Drama looks like. For my complexion, it looks a little gray. However, I'm gonna try it anyway, and I'm gonna see how that looks in the crease. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. It looks gray in the pan, but it's not gray. It does not go on the face gray, which is perfect. So I'm just gonna blend that into my crease. And yo, like, these colors blend, or at least Drama so far, it's blending really well. I'm loving it. And one thing I'm loving about this is there is no fallout. Like, nothing is falling out on my face at all. Like, not only is it not falling out on my face, but it's also not falling out on the pan. Like, you dip it and there's nothing. So it's fine. I love it. I'm liking it. So from there, I'm gonna go into the color Crush, and I'm gonna put that right into my crease. And yeah, it's gonna be closer to my crease, less blown out than Drama. Oh, that pigment is so freaking pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. If you watch my channel, you know this is like out of my comfort zone to be like doing my eyes before I do my face, because I'm always so worried about fallout. It just gives me anxiety. So this is like a treat to me, the fact that this palette is not falling out at all. Bruh, I gotta give it to Deck of Scarlet. They definitely have this formula down pat. And it looks like this color built up really well, so all you have to do is just keep dipping into it and just stamping it on there to create more deeper of a color, and I'm loving that. So from there, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape to cut my crease. And then on the edge of my cut crease, I'm gonna buff out that line just so that it will blend well, because I am gonna go in with Crush. And then I'm gonna go right back into Crush, and I'm gonna place that right on the edge of my lid. And then from there, we're gonna go into the color that makes me the most excited about this palette, and that is Supernova. I'm gonna spray my brush with Fix Plus, and then I'm going to pat into Supernova, and I'm gonna put that right on my lid. Yo, that is gorgeous. And I was really nervous about this color having some fallout because it looks like a pressed glitter kind of, but it's more of like a shimmer, and it doesn't fall out at all. Yo, there's no fallout on my face. I am so impressed. And then from there on the edges, I'm gonna go back over the color with Crush just to make sure that blends the way I want it to. Y'all, that color right there is like a show stopper, bruh. God, I'm in love with this palette. From there, I'm gonna go ahead with my under eye. And for my under eye, I'm gonna go into the color Crush again. And with the flat brush, I'm gonna smudge that on my bottom lash line. So from there, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my liner. This is the Pretty Vulgar liner. And these eyes are dramatic, so they are getting winged out today. And I'm also putting this liner on my waterline at the bottom. So this subscription does come with the extra product every time that you receive it. This one in particular comes with the mascara, and this mascara is called Sexy AF Mascara. And let's see how black it is. So I'm definitely feeling the mascara. I think it's a really good mascara that is cool that it comes with the palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, and the lashes that I'm using today are the Icon eyelashes, and these are in Drunk in Love, because I did want to do something a little bit dramatic today to go with the dramatic color on the eyes. So from there, I'm gonna go ahead and try the highlighter on this, and this is in Be quiet. This is a very pretty goldish type of highlight, and y'all know gold is my highlight. It has to be gold. So I'm very happy that this one has a gold highlight on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what this is looking like. Yeah, that is pretty. I was a little afraid because even though it's giving off gold vibes, it scared me. Like I thought that maybe it was gonna be more white, and it's not. It's slightly lighter than I'm used to, but it still looks good on my complexion. And I believe it will look good on a darker complexion as well. Now I can't be mad at that. I think it's like a light gold that is probably gonna work for not only darker complexions. You know how sometimes the darker highlights are just kind of good for people with darker skin or richer skin complexions. I feel like this one is more like neutral to where it'll work for someone my complexion, someone a little darker than me, as well as someone who is tan to fair as well. And I feel like that's key when you are putting together a palette like this, where it's a subscription service, where so many different types of people are getting this one palette, you know? Like it's not like you can send all the black people one palette and all the white people another palette. You know, you can't do that. So I like that this highlight is looking like it's probably versatile like that. That's popping. So I am also gonna try this cheek color that's in here. You guys should know that I'm not crazy about cheeks as far as blushes or anything like that. But this one looks like it's kind of a blush slash bronzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and try Whisper, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks and see what happens. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm loving this mixed with this highlight. And again, I feel like this color is gonna be good with all skin tones. I think I might be going a little crazy with this. I'm not used to wearing blush, so I'm just putting it on. So last but not least, this palette does come with 2 lip colors. So for lips, the first thing that I'm gonna do is go into my NYX Suede Lip Liner. And this is in the color Club Hopper. And then with a lipstick brush, I'm gonna go into the color Passion, and then I'm gonna put Tempting in the middle and kind of create an ombre. I'm loving how creamy this formula is for these lips. Like, I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. I'm done. Okay, so my honest opinion about this subscription service. I'm here for it. And let me tell you why I'm here for it. Number 1, the colors in this palette in particular are dope. Now, okay, I might be biased because these are my colors, and this is just speaking life into me and my surroundings and my belongings and my life and my car and my mama. Of course, I love it. But number 2, it is such a versatile palette. You do eyes, you do cheeks, you do highlight and lips all in one palette. I cannot lie and say that I did not enjoy not switching back and forth to palettes throughout this tutorial. Dope. Super dope. For $29.95 every 2 months, I don't think that's bad. I don't think that's bad at all. And especially also because it is kind of a personal touch, because it is in a collaboration with different YouTubers as well. Big ups to Belle Jorden and DECK of Scarlet for coming up with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. And I think the edition number 9 palette goes hard, and I love it. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet. You know, get it together. And I will see y'all on my next upload. Bye.